Good morning students, my name is Suhas Vora, Assistant Professor of Electrical Department at Sri Swaminarayan Institute of Technology. So हमने चैप्टर नंबर 4 हार्मोनिक स्टार्ट किया था. तो जैसे ही हमको पता है कि हार्मोनिक इज़ द मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट फैक्टर विच वन इज़ अफेक्टेड इन आवर पावर सिस्टम. सो हमने लास्ट लेक्चर्स में देखा था कि इंट्रोडक्शंस एंड द कॉजेज ऑफ द हार्मोनिक्स. So generally, when the dealing with the AC voltage and current in the electrical circuits, it is assumed that they are the pure and sinusoidal in the shape with only the one frequency value called the fundamental frequency. So generally, electrical and electronic devices that have the voltage and current characteristics which is not in linear form. So basically, the electronics component get affect the harmonic systems. So the current flowing through it in the not proportional to the applied voltage. So like these are the sinusoidal waveforms and these are the non-sinusoidal waveforms. So complex waveforms are generated by the common electrical devices like the iron core, then induction coil, switching transformer, electric ballast. नेटवर्क की बात करते हैं तो रेक्टिफायर सर्किट्स, देन SCRs. So now harmonics is the non-sinusoidal complex waveform are constructed by the adding together the series of the sine wave frequency and known as the harmonic. यानी कि basic equation definitions of the harmonic is the multiple waveforms at the fundamental frequency. It is called the harmonics. So the fundamental frequency is like this. So these are the bifurcations for the linear load and non-linear load. So harmonic are the sinusoidal component of the periodic wave operate at the frequency that is integrated multiple of the fundamental frequency. यानी कि integrated यानी कि एक से ज़्यादा उसमें multiplications हो. So 50 Hz अगर मैं कंसिडर करता हूँ द सेकंड हार्मोनिक इज जनरेटेड 50 Hz, थर्ड हार्मोनिक इज 150 एंड फिफ्थ हार्मोनिक इज 250 Hz. then fundamental frequency is the first harmonic. So our equations we know that. So the periodic non-sinusoidal waveform is like this, जो हम ऑलरेडी जानते हैं. then harmonics number is represented by H, an individual frequency element of the composite waveform. So H equal to 5 refers the fifth harmonics. So अगर 60 Hz कंसिडर करता हूँ तो 5 into 60 into 300 Hz, then 6 में 360 Hz. Now the dealing with the harmonic numbers and not with the harmonic frequencies and is done for the two reasons. For the fundamental frequency varies among the individual conditions. So the AC adjustable speed drives, यानी कि हम जो स्पीड ड्राइव करने के लिए इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स यूज़ करते हैं आर जनरेट दी हार्मोनिक्स. सो द यूज़ ऑफ द हार्मोनिक्स नंबर अलाउ टू सिंप्लीफाई हाउ वी एक्सप्रेस द हार्मोनिक्स. सो द सेकंड रीजन फॉर द यूजिंग द हार्मोनिक नंबर इज सिंप्लीफाइंग द परफॉर्मेंस. सो ऑड हार्मोनिक इज 3, 5, 7 and even harmonic is the 2, 4, 6, 8. But in our power system only the odd harmonic is generated and utilized. Second harmonic is cancel out to each other waveforms, positive and negative. So second harmonic is not generated. So the first number is the fundamental frequencies and 0 is represent the DC component. So we usually look at the harmonic integrated, but some applications produce the harmonic voltage and current that are not integrated. So in the electrical system में जो आर्क फर्नेस है, वेल्डिंग मशीन्स है आदि नॉन लीनियर इंटीग्रेटेड सर्किट्स. Now causes a pure sinusoidal waveform with the zero harmonic distortions is the hypothetical quantities and not a practical one. Now causes of the harmonic So the harmonic current travels to the power source and the current distortions result in the additions voltage distortions due to impedance. So the one is the line and transformer cable, buses and so on are the affected of the systems. So now today's topic is the harmonic signatures and the effect of harmonics. So individual and the total harmonics क्या है? So individual harmonics distortions is the relations between the RMS value of the individual harmonics to the RMS value of the fundamental harmonics. So equation is individual harmonic is IN upon I1. So for example, अगर मैं RMS values the fifth harmonics values is 50 amperes है, तो RMS value of the third harmonic is 30 ampere and RMS value of the fundamental is 50 amperes. So अगर मुझे फिफ्थ हार्मोनिक द इंडिविजुअल हार्मोनिक डिस्टॉर्शंस फिफ्थ में फाइंड करना है तो आई फिफ्थ बाई आई वन, सो फिफ्थ इज द 15 and 5, so this one is like this. अगर थर्ड फाइंड करना है तो 30 by 15 equal to 2. So the RMS value is IRMS equal to under root of 50 square plus 30 square upon 15 square. So our RMS value is 16.20 amperes. So now according to the IEC standards, so IEC 1 फाइंड करने के लिए 50 बाई जो IRMS मिला है वो, then I2 equal to 30 by IRMS, I2 is equal to 15 upon 16. So these are the IEC standards. So individual harmonic distortions is relations between the RMS value of the individual harmonic to the RMS value of the fundamental frequency. So the total harmonic distortion is the deviations from the distortions harmonic to the fundamental harmonics, and it is the relations between the power of the total harmonic of the power of original harmonics. So these are the total harmonic distortions. Now the harmonic signatures. So harmonic signatures, it means कि harmonics generally कौन सी चीज़ से अफेक्ट होता है, तो मेनली इज द फ्लोरोसेंट लाइट्स, देन एडजस्टेबल स्पीड ड्राइव्स एंड सिंगल फेज रेक्टिफायर्स. Then single phase rectifier have the SMPS and compact fluorescent lamp. Now the fluorescent lamp, the lighting across to the nearly 60% of the industrial building, and the fluorescent light are the discharge paper, discharge pump, and which supply the voltage to the kick of the current flow between the two electrodes. So the current waveform at the distortions panel supplying the executively fluorescent light. So as soon as the discharge is recognized and the current flow increase with the decrease in the voltage, thus the path of the created between the two electrodes and reducing the current to the maintain the requirement of output. So there are the two categories of the ballast, the electronic and magnetic. So the magnetic ballast is nothing but the transformer with the magnetic capacitors between the primary and secondary winding, and this magnetic ballast can drive the minimum of the two lamp with the frequency of 50 Hz. So the waveform is a primary comprised of the third and the fifth harmonic frequencies, and the waveform also contains the slightly track of even harmonics, especially of the higher frequency orders. So the current flow is a flat topper due to the initial of the arc within the gas tube, and which cause the voltage across the tube and the current becomes essentially. So these are the actually effect of our power system. यानी कि हमारे जो साइनोसॉइडल वेवफॉर्म्स आप देख रहे हैं, दिस वन इज द वोल्टेज बट द करंट इज ड्यू टू दी, यहाँ पे क्या होगा कि स्पार्क जनरेट होता है हेवीली, और उसकी वजह से हमारा जो करंट है उसमें हार्मोनिक जनरेट्स होते हैं. सो दीज आर दी फ्लोरोसेंट लाइटनिंग Now we can talk about the adjustable speed drives. So the general applications of the adjustable speed drives can be seen in the elevators, pump and fan, यानी कि जिस तरह से हमको आउटपुट चाहिए उसके हिसाब से हम स्पीड ड्राइव से चेंज करते हैं. So the adjustable speed drive consists of on the converters and which converts the voltage and frequency to the varying the voltage and frequency. So these voltage varying voltage and the frequency is used to control the speed. So while the several technologies exist for the creating the variable voltage and variable frequency, so this one is the power source from the speed control of AC control. यानी कि AC side AC control हम करते हैं using of the pulse width modulation PWM drive technology से is currently most widely used. So the current graph at the adjustable speed drives input line with the motor operating at 60 and 45 Hz respectively. So the waveform of the voltage is input power line and it was started earlier and the large current distortions can be produced. So in this practical case the voltage of the THD is 8.3% which is higher than the level of the typical found in the most industrial इंस्टॉलेशंस. यानी कि जनरली IEEE स्टैंडर्ड है THD का 5%, यानी कि 5% वेरिएशंस हम टॉलरेबल है, बट उससे ज़्यादा हो तो दिस वन इज़ द नॉट टॉलरेबल. सो दिस आर द our adjustable speed drive systems. So you can see the effect of the first harmonic and also effect of the fifth harmonic. So commonly use of the ESD यानी कि adjustable speed drives are the 6 pulse and the 12 pulse rectifier. These travel the pulse rectifier reduce the large amount of current harmonics and then the 6 pulse is rectified. So the main advantage of this using the adjustable speed drive is they are save more energy, but by their variable speed to fit the load, the harmonic are usually caused by the shutdown of the machine. यानी कि अगर हार्मोनिक ज़्यादा बढ़ जाएगा तो दे हैव दी शट डाउन दी मशीन्स. So the waveform of the voltage at the adjustable speed drive is input lines. So it was started earlier that the large current distortions can be produced, and this one is the, so the smaller is the horsepower and drive the contains the line side inductions which along the higher inductions motor and produce the current waveform with the less than distortions. Now the single phase rectifier. So the single phase rectifier are basically used to convert the power to the DC power and almost used in the major of the electronics device. So you can see the figure. So for the low power application the single phase rectifier are employed at the front end of the small AC motors. यानी कि हम स्टार्टिंग में लगाते हैं. द सर्किट डायग्राम ऑफ द सिंगल फेज रेक्टिफायर इज यू कैन सी दे एंड हियर द लोड ऑलमोस्ट ड्रॉन द फिक्स्ड ऑफ द करंट. सो दीज आर द लोड. अगर इंडक्टिव लोड है तो लेस देन द 40%. यू कैन सी द वेवफॉर्म्स. देन आफ्टर सिंगल फेज है तो 80%. देन 6 पोल्स कन्वर्टर है तो लाइक दिस. THD इज़ दी टोटल हार्मोनिक डिस्टोर्शन 40% होता है. अगर CFL हम यूज़ करते हैं तो 30%. ब्रिज रेक्टिफायर यूज़ करते हैं तो लाइक दिस. देन स्टार्टर सैचुरेटेड सिटी कोर. देन फ्लोरोसेंट ट्यूब 40 वोल्ट की है वो. देन कैपेसिटिव लोड. देन एसिड ड्राइव्स 12 पल्स. देन LED ट्रांसफॉर्मर ट्रांसिएंट इंडक्स करंट. Then saturation transformer current and AC/DC drive of adjustable speed drive. So you can see here the every almost the inductive and capacitive load को छोड़ के you can see the every equipment generate the harmonic in our power systems. Now the effect of the harmonics. So as we are interested in the harmonic, so we need to find the causes of the harmonic, and until the equipment tends to work, we are not aware of the harmonic. So some harmonics effect is the transformer effect, then AC motors, capacitor bank, cables, bus bar, then protective devices, lightning and generators. So now transformers. So transformers are affected by the harmonics by the following some ways. So effect of the harmonics voltage setup and the eddy current loss and hysteresis loss in the transformer, which gets applied to the fundamental loops. So the eddy current is rotating currents and which get injected in the conductor by the leakage flux. So the harmonic can affect the transformer of the primary in the two ways, and the voltage harmonic produce the addition loss in the transformer core as the higher frequency harmonic voltage setup and the hysteresis loop which superpositions of the fundamental loops. यानी कि प्राइमरी साइड दो. सो ट्रांसफॉर्मर में वोल्टेज हार्मोनिक प्रोड्यूस किस तरह से होता है वो हमने देखा था. नाउ द ईच लूप रिप्रेजेंट द हायर मैग्नेटाइजेशंस पावर रिक्वायरमेंट एंड द हायर कोर लॉसेज. जैसे ही हमने स्टार्टिंग टॉपिक में देखा था कि ट्रांसफॉर्मर के अंदर इनिशियली एडी करंट लॉसेज एंड द हिस्टेरेसिस लॉसेज होता है, वही द लूप जब मैग्नेटाइजिंग, जब हम प्राइमरी साइड पावर सप्लाई देंगे तो मैग्नेटाइजिंग स्टार्ट होगा, तो उसकी वजह से हायर कोर लॉसेस भी होगा, बिकॉज कि हम ट्रांसफॉर्मर के अंदर हम जो कोर यूज़ कर रहे हैं वो कॉपर होगा, तो कोर लॉसेस होगा. सो एंड द सेकंड एंड द मोर सीरियस इफेक्ट ऑफ द हार्मोनिक इज ड्यू टू द हार्मोनिक फ्रीक्वेंसी current in the transformer winding is more. So the harmonic current increase the net RMS current flowing in the transformer winding, which result in the additions of the I square R losses. जैसे हमको डेफिनेशंस पता है कि इंटीग्रल मल्टीप्लिकेशंस ऑफ द फंडामेंटल फ्रीक्वेंसी, यानी कि हमारी जो रेगुलर फ्रीक्वेंसीज है उससे ज़्यादा हार्मोनिक जनरेट होगा, तो उसकी वजह से आई स्क्वायर आर लॉसेस भी ज़्यादा होगा. So one method which the transformer may be rated for the stability to handle the harmonic loads is by K factor rating. अब इसको रिड्यूस करने के लिए हम K factor rating करेंगे. तो K factor is equal to the sum of the square of the harmonic frequency current, which one is representing total RMS current, is multiplying by the square of the harmonic frequency numbers. सो इक्वेशंस इज के इक्वल टू ये जो करंट है I1 स्क्वायर, देन I2 स्क्वायर, देन I3 स्क्वायर एंड I4 स्क्वायर, एंड द 1 2 3 आर द मल्टीपल ऑफ द स्क्वायर ऑफ द हार्मोनिक फ्रीक्वेंसी. ये फ्रीक्वेंसी फर्स्ट फ्रीक्वेंसी, सेकंड, थर्ड, फोर्थ. सो द हियर द K फैक्टर इज द IEEE स्टैंडर्ड कोड इज C 57.110 standard, and this one is recommended for the setting up of the transformer capacity and provide the equations for the derating of the transformer. Now these equations we can modify is K equal to sigma IN square H square. Here the IN is the total RMS currents and H square is the multiple of the square of harmonic frequencies. So the recommended practice for the establishing of the transformer capability, and when the supplying is the non-sinusoidal current which provides the expressions is like this. So I max equal to PLL RPU. So उसको बोलते हैं हम load losses, then to 1 plus here the by the 1 plus sigma fh square, which fh is the harmonic frequency and h is the harmonic numbers, and the last one you can see here the PEC RPU, which one is the eddy current losses. सो ये वैल्यू में हम लोड करंट, एडी करंट लॉस, देन हार्मोनिक फ्रीक्वेंसी और हार्मोनिक नंबर्स, इसकी वैल्यूज हम जानते हैं। वो पुटअप करने से हमको पता चल जाएगा कि मैक्सिमम करंट कितना मिलता है मुझे। नाउ द एसी मोटर, तो जैसे ही हम जानते हैं कि एसी मोटर के अंदर इन स्टार्टिंग इनिशियल कंडीशंस द मोटर गेट दी more power, at least the 4 times more of the rated power. So in the transformer the harmonic distortions is increased in the AC induction motor and cause the overheating of the coil. So due to the I2R losses, the starting winding and the rotor is more affected. So for the frequency generated, the losses generated adds up with the effect. So the applications of the distort the voltage to the motor result in the additions of the losses in the magnetic core of the motor. यहाँ पे भी क्या होगा कि जो वाइंडिंग है वो कॉपर है तो मैग्नेटिक कोर इफेक्ट ज़्यादा होगी. So the hysteresis and the eddy current losses in the core increase as a high frequency harmonic voltage are impressed on the motor winding. So the iron losses are the produced by the higher frequency current and sudden change in the flux in the rotor and stator. So the extreme heating can be degrade the lubrications and cause the damage to the bearings. So these can be prevented by using the insulations bearing in the AC motors. So another one is the hysteresis losses increase with the frequency and the eddy current losses increase in the square of the frequencies. सो I2R जैसे ही हमने देखा कि I2R लॉसेस भी इसमें ज़्यादा रहेगा मोटर वाइंडिंग में, विच मस्ट बी अकोमोडेट फॉर. सो द सीरियस इफेक्ट इज़ द टॉर्सिनल हार्मोनिक्स एंड द मोस्ट पॉपुलर हार्मोनिक्स इन इंडिया इज 5th and 7th हार्मोनिक्स. सो दीज आर यू कैन सी दैट के पॉजिटिव हार्मोनिक इज 1, 4, 7, 10, 13, 16 and 19. देन नेगेटिव इज 2, 5, 8, 11, 4, 17 is 20 and the 0 is 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18 and 21. So here the 10 on Celsius increase in the temperature, so the life of the induction motor reduced by the 50% and the squirrel cage motor is best operate for these reasons than the wound motors. So another serious effect is the 5th and 7th harmonics. So the 7th harmonic, the magnetic field is same as that of the fundamental field and the communications between the magnetic field and the fundamental field generate the oscillations in the shift of the motors. So यहाँ पे हमने देखा है कि पॉजिटिव, नेगेटिव एंड ज़ीरो सीक्वेंस. So in the general the positive sequence will add in the torque production while the negative sequence will add the torque pulsations. यानी कि उसमें पॉजिटिव सीक्वेंस टॉर्क प्रोड्यूस करेगा और उसमें जो टॉर्क है उसको डेविएशंस करेगा. तो ट्रिपल हार्मोनिक doesn't have the circulating frequency and the energy associated with them gets the wasted as a heat, hence the motor with the noise and the vibrations. यानी कि थर्ड हार्मोनिक की वजह से नॉइज और वाइब्रेशंस दोनों प्रोड्यूस होंगे. सो दीज आर द इफेक्ट ऑफ द AC motors. So if any questions regarding this topic you can contact me. If any query regarding this topic you can mail me. My mail ID and the contact number is in your screen. Thank you.